Alrighty, kindergartners, we are ready to add some watercolors to our snowman. You remember last time I added some color. If you want to just color your background, that's fine. If you just came right to the watercolor page, though, you do need to go back and color some of these fine details of your snowman. This snowman project works much better if you color first and then watercolor over it. I've already started prepping my blue, so I already have a lot of watercolor in there because we want a lot of water with our watercolors, remember? And now I'm going to very, very carefully and gently just paint the background of my snowman. That's all I'm really going to do this time is just paint the background. So I really don't even need a ton of watercolors. Remember when you're watercoloring, you don't want to use, you want to use more and more water, but you don't want to hurt your paintbrush. So make sure you're very, very careful with your paintbrush and you're not hurting it. Sometimes I like to take my paintbrush and go really, really close to that black line first, especially with this white snowman, and then I can pull it out. You see that? Now the cool part is, or the trick, you can go ahead and paint over this scarf and it'll just fill in any spot that you might have missed. So you don't have to worry about the scarf as much, which makes it a lot easier when you're doing the background. The only part that you really have to worry about is that white part of the snowman, because you do not want to make him blue snow. I don't know what blue snow would mean. Maybe Elsa was there. Could that be what blue snow means? But you're going to go ahead and you're just going to finish painting all around your snowman. How does my snowman look so far? Okay, and the same thing goes for the hat. I can go over the hat and all it will do is fill in any little spot of color that I might have missed. Isn't that kind of cool? The crayon and the watercolors won't mix. So the crayon won't let the watercolor go onto the paper. It's that wax makes it happen. Whoops, here's my blue. I got to go all the way over here. Ooh, here's a trick I want to show you. If you're going to go to the other side of your paper, it's kind of smart to put your watercolors over there too. These watercolors aren't the darkest watercolors I've used. These are kind of light ones, but that's okay. It's still making my picture beautiful. Be really, really careful when I go around the line of the snowman, and then I can be a little bit more reckless. Still not too reckless, but it's not as important when I get further away. Oh, I seem to have added a lot of water. I still have plenty, plenty, plenty of water in there. All right, how does that look? I'm almost done. And then I have my finished snowman. I'm so excited to see your pictures of your snowmen. I have a book coming out and they're finished, and we'll take a picture of them and we'll add them to our classroom book. Does that sound like a good idea? I'm running out of blue on this paint. Almost done. I kind of like the way the blue is a little bit different colors. When it dries, it'll be a little bit different, but a little bit more the same. But I kind of like that. It looks kind of like the sky, doesn't it? The sky isn't always perfect. It's got some clouds in there, some different coloring. How does that look? I love it. You can see where the wet is and where it's dried. So now I just have to wait for my painting to dry. Whatever you do not try to do the marker today. And I know you know marker's coming tomorrow. Let this paint dry, okay? Leave your snowman alone until we're ready to finish it. Bye.